Raise in. Hi guys, and welcome back to all season sea fishing. Today we're back at Hendon promenade. It's currently low tide at the minute, as you can see. We're right down on the beach. I'm currently out in the water there with my 6 and bait, 4 katana hook, bit black lug on. I am joined by Sean, who was just to the left of me, and just into the next bay you've got Adam. And you've got Ray just over there, second bottle. But between the four of the day, we'll see if we can come back with some fish here. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Helps out a lot, it's free. And honestly, I appreciate the support I'm getting. And if you do want to know when my next videos are going live, if you hit that notification bell, it'll let you know on a Saturday what time the videos are going up. Right guys, I'm on with all sorts of bait today. We've got velvet peeler crab, Northeast Tackle Supplies. I've got a claw on there. Got some black lug from the Manal, where we try now to get black lug, being impossible. Northeast Tackle Supplies again. I've got mackerel, squid, mussel, carton bandages, all sorts in there. And Adam's got bluey, alright. So with a bit of luck, there'll be plenty of fish to come out. Raise in. Raise in with the first one of the day. Look, that's sea bass, man. Now that is a beaut. Yep. Absolute beaut, that.
Right in the lip.
Go on, get that measured, son.
There's not Ari there, is there?
Come on, because I didn't want to get rid of hook. Get up, you pig. I don't want to catch the hook. Oh, Christ, it's nothing. Come on.
That's it, you thrash about. There you've gone.
One nice sea bass.
What a belter, Ray.
What
There's
size
your
we're
legal
going to
landing
get over?
sizes for the day.
42.
42 centimetres.
Take our one.
Yep, she's way over 42.
Way over. You were saying you were after a one.
Oh, yes.
You've got one.
Oh, yes. Now for the next one.
Belter, mate. What a start to the day for him.
Number 2. How many you caught?
I've caught no at the minute, mate. We need to get that measured. I'll pop one out. There it is, Ray's flounder. 31 and a half. Hey, 2 canny fish, eh?
Aye. See?
Let's see if you can notice Adam's catch. Yep, that's it right there. Scorpion fish. Right, little bite that comes straight off his hook. Do you not planting?
Oh well. Sound.
There's mine. No, that's a flounder nowhere near as big as Ray's. I'm gonna lob him back. Lush how they bury themselves in. There's third fish of the day. Third different species for him. A rockland.
Little
Not
Rocky.
even there, mate. I've
Oh,
seen
got
him
him.
go. They'll do what the flatty's done and find us on a little. Just tucked behind the rocks, ain't the flatty? My flatty just tucked behind the rocks, too.
Manx up here.
Right guys, as you can see, I've now moved up. Just here. I've shown just there. Adam and Ray's down there. They're going to be moving up in a minute. They had more beach left than us. There's the banker so far today.
They also had small hooks, the cheeky bastards.
He didn't like he's using 3 oars. I'm just winding them up.
All this talk going to Adam about using small little hook size 1 oars and all that kind of crap. And he gets and using myself to catch his big fish. You know what I mean? Hypocrite.
I didn't know. Like I say guys, Ray actually caught that on a 3 oar. I'm just winding Sean up, seeing he's using 1 oars. Easy bite. Right, hopefully we can post some more fish now the tide's turning, coming in. Got a few hours yet. See how we go. Sean's just been down to inspect Ray's hooks. What did you find, mate?
That you're lying, fat boy. Because a company doesn't own 1 oar hooks. He actually caught it on 3 oar hooks. I was going to say, he's a right hypocrite. He always warned Adam for using small hooks.
My second one of the day there guys. A whiting with 1 eye. It's deep hook net unfortunately. I'm gonna get it out, stick it on the box, see what it measures, see if it'll be the biggest one of the day. And there it is, me whiting. Just under 35. So I'm busy preparing loads of baits here. That number 2 for me, that was just a little bit of squid.
Custom sleeve.
He now means business.
What do you mean, sleeve?
Seen it or?
Oh, I could see that you're from Middlesbrough.
Yeah?
Exactly, mate.
That puts me on 3 and 4. Tiny little coolies. Not going to bother measuring them for the comp. Get them back. Subscriber come along there, say hello. Just been getting good bites here on the big rod. Starting recording now, so I'll probably stop. Just as me and the lads were saying, it was starting to get quiet. Adam's whipped one in, it looks like a whiting. Is that a whiting, mate? Get it unhooked, bring it along to me box, mate. And we'll see if it beats mine for the biggest whiting of the day. Adam's whiting just shy of mine by half a centimetre. Unlucky Adam.
Oh well, let's get it back in and try and get a bigger one.
I was retrieving while Adam was unhooking that, and I brought in all of that crap. Loads of line, shot lead of the lot. Scored a lead of it like. And little bits of help keep me bait up my hook. About it. There's Adam coming along with his third fish of the day, another whiting. Do you want to see if it beats 35, Adam? I don't think it does, but do you want to try?
Yeah, it's pointless even putting it on, really.
Do you think?
Nah, I doubt it. You know, just gonna back in and see what's in there next.
Well, that's my next one there, guys. Ray's Rockland was 18 when he met it is. Mine's what? Just over 20.5 centimetres. I see I'm taking the biggest Rockland of the day so far. Sean's saying that's his last cast van down there. He's got something to do, so it looks like he'll be ending the session on a blank, which will put him on 2 for the year already. 1 away from wearing the headband. Starting off on a flyer with a blank soap. Right, we're here with Ray now. He's just double hooked himself. 2 whiting.
2 whiting. That's because I put blacks on.
Like 35's a record, centimetres. What was that, Sean? He's in a right one. But 35 centimetres is mine for the biggest of the day.
Took it out of the weekend. Put it on the van.
There's Adam. How many is that for you, Adam?
4 now.
Do you reckon it's bigger than a 20.5, I think mine was?
Well, we can go and give it a shot.
Come along and have a look.
I would
Nah,
say
nowhere near.
probably 16 by the looks of it on here. 17.
I'll actually have to move his head down a bit. That's where his head is, so I'll say about 17.5, Adam.
Oh well.
Slimy little buggers.
I know.
Yeah, I'll definitely say about 17.5. Oh.
Let's get it back.
Ray's jumped in front. That's his fish number 6. Another whiting.
Another whiting. Get big with him in a minute. I'm getting out on the big rod.
He's been at that for me all day, mate. Put one with the smaller hooks on.
Aye. Got smaller hooks on here. Gone.
Another white in Adam's 5th. The other rod's gone wild now. I've literally just got myself another whiting. It's my 6th for the day. I'm going to quickly get it unhooked. But that big rod's just been gone acca. Light keeps changing red. Bluey on there. Bit squid. Bit of a cotton bandage. I'll let you know if it materialises with that one.
Fucking hell, Ray.
Jesus!
Ray went down there.
What do never?
Just a
Sought
tad.
his basswood.
Jesus!
He got caught by the sea splashing.
Oh,
I just descaled it.
Yeah, I just descaled it.
Only if Sean had stayed, he would have probably caught that. But that's Adam's 6th fish of the day. Another little whiting. Well done, mate. Oh, 666. There's 8. 7 and 8 for 8, and that's it. Wounded. Adam, your rod's just been... Right, there's Adam. You could be in there. Today it's been a funny in. I've had the 2 rods out. Sonic's got smaller hooks on, 2 hooks flat back. That's what's caught on my fish so far the day. I've had bites on the big rod with a 4 hook on a hook. Now it's took. Still time. Got a half hour something. Been a good day though. What happened here? There you got what?
Oh God, I nearly got wet there, man. So good. Oh well.
I'm coming. Right, that's my 7th. Gonna get that unhooked, get it back. But as I'm here, Ray's in, so I'm gonna walk out to him quickly. It's gone back.
That was number 9.
Oh, I didn't know. Could have been a ghost fish shot.
Could have been a ghost fish. A bloody ghost fish.
Right, guys. That's the end of another one. Fishing Hendon promenade. It's been a great day overall. Ray's had 9 out. I've had 7 out. Adam's had 6 out. Sean's got his 2nd blank of the year already. Aye, been canny. I do hope you like the videos though, guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're not part of the Facebook group, please get yourself in. We've got a better community and it's love to see what everybody's getting up to. Right, we're dating our way to go for the next one. Possibly the time. We're looking at Whitby in the next couple of weeks as well, so we'll see what happens. So from me and the lads just there, tight lines.